Hi everyone. So let's discuss more of applications of data science that we came across from domain to domain. Okay. So coming to this healthcare, we have predictive analytics for patient outcomes, right? So even predictive analytics can be used in healthcare domains, especially to forecast the future outcomes, or this can even help to identify the patients at the risk of certain diseases or something like that. Okay, even that can be doable now in healthcare. And even coming to this drug discovery and development, so even nowadays data science facilitates the analysis of biological data to identify some potential drug candidate, understanding disease mechanisms, everything that is also possible nowadays in data science, right? And also coming to this personalized medicine, right? So even we can give the treatment to the individual or individual patients. So even data science can analyze the patient previous history, and can also predict the most effective treatment for the uh, treatment wise different strategy medicine can also be developed. Coming to the finance, yes. So data is used to detect the patterns of different fraudulent activities and all, right, by analyzing the transaction and is there any anomalies in our transaction, so on. So fraud can also be detected. And we also use this algorithm trading nowadays in finance, so especially to analyze the financial data in real time to make some trading decisions and optimize and execute it transaction at high speed. So that is also possible. And even we can also predict the model assessment, this credit worthiness, by analyzing the individual credit history and helping uh, the lending risk and all those. So that is also possible. And coming to this e-commerce, yeah, I think everyone know, right? I just talked before on this recommendation system. So we can also analyze the customer behavior and preferences to provide the personalized product recommendations, right? So different from individual to individual. So better to bring the user all sort of new experience to them. So that is also possible. Coming to this customer segmentation, so we can actually group the customer based on characteristics of the target marketing. So even this all are the applications of e-commerce. And we also have the demand forecasting, right? So we can also predict what I can say, predict the demand, right, for each product, where what customer need. So consider Diwali, right? So Diwali, what is the most sales? The maybe household applicants will have more sales, or mobile phone, laptops, or something like that, right? So based on the product demand, so this forecasting can also be done based on the customer needs and all those. Yeah, then coming to the telecommunication domain, yeah, so we can also analyze different what say network performance to optimize the efficiency of these telecommunication networks and improve their quality, and predicting the customer churn, right? Yeah, by analyzing their patterns and their behavior, that everything is possible in data science. And coming to the manufacturing domain, so predicting the equipment failures and all, right? So minimizing the maintaining or downtime of the equipment and maintaining some schedules. And even we can analyze the supply chain data to optimize the efficient for their production and distribution. And yeah, all those are possible in manufacturing domain as well. Coming to this quality control, yeah, we can actually use our real time data to monitor and all, right, to really check whether all the manufacturing process are in correct control and all. Yeah, then coming to the marketing, yeah, so even marketing, there are a lot of applications in data science. So we can actually group the customer based on different marketing strategy, right? Maybe in India some marketing strategy may work, but some may not work, right? Something like that. So even we can analyze the social medias and all to understand the customer sentiment analysis and all those, and even we can actually optimize the marketing campaign for the better reach and all. Yeah, that can be one of the applications. And yeah, coming to the education, yeah, nowadays we have this learning analytics, so we can actually analyze the student data to improve the education outcomes, right? So what kind of teaching methods that can be brought up to the course curriculum. So yeah, everything we can able to analyze, and we can also predict the student performance based on various factors like marks, previous semester what how much mark is scored. So we can also predict the performance maybe in the next semester how much he may score if he concentrate well or study well. Then we can also customize the education content, right? So everything, so we can also provide some learning path to students. So everything is possible nowadays in some of the applications in data science. Yeah, then yeah, coming to the transportation, again we have to optimize the different routes, right? Especially in Ola, Uber, you will find all this. So how you can optimize the transportation route to reduce the cost and improve the efficiency. And we can also predict like when the vehicle need to we can actually expect at which point, which location. So even I know when you are ordering from Swiggy and all, right? Also we can actually expect what is expected time of the food arrival, right? Something like that. We can also predict the transportation demand and all. Is there any traffic in that locality, or is there any rain, right? So we can overall optimize these routes and everything. So everything is possible. Then coming to the energy sector, yeah, uh, we can mainly predict the equipment failures and all those. So we can also predict is there any future energy consumption patterns and all to optimize it. Yeah, so different from various use case. And coming to the government, even we can actually detect the fraudulent activities that are happening. Then we can actually analyze the traffic management, right? Coming to the city, traffic flow and all those. Yeah, and even we can predict the analytics to identify the pattern and to prevent mainly the criminal activities. So when we are working in police department and all, yeah, so we can also predict that kind of criminal activities are going on such. And yeah, so especially this data science plays a crucial role, I could say very much, right, in extracting the valuable insights and making some informed decision. So mainly to yeah, to take some data driven evidence all over, right, to build to make some better strategies, or to make some decision making overall. Yeah, so this is about the applications of ML data science. So you can go through, okay, various domains uh, uh, listed here, right from healthcare, finance, e-commerce, telecommunication, manufacturing, marketing, education, transportation, energy, government, even day-to-day activities like YouTube recommendations, Amazon, right? If you're ordering something, then Swiggy, how the food arrives, what time we can actually track, right? So everything, so all our applications of data science ML. So nowadays we know chat GPT and all those, so that can be one of the greater stage applications also, right? So that can also make some informed decisions based on the prompt, and it can actually give us the desired output. Yeah, so that's about different applications. Yeah, I hope you understood, right? What are the different applications that are involved in data science and ML? Yeah. Okay, next we'll see the NumPy operations. Yeah, thank you.